What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning into another video. Today, as you see, that's right, window blew out yesterday. I went for a ride. I was heading to the scrapyard just to pick up something simple, basically just a coil, and where did I put the keys? And that's right, the window blew out. Maybe it's better to show you from this side. I went and picked one up. It was the wrong window, so I have to bring that back. But if you can see that, hopefully you can. She shattered the whole thing. See, she's all shattered. So I'm gonna go see if I can get the same color car, same door. I'm just gonna take the whole door, save me a lot of time, and we'll just change out the door. Right, that's the best way to do it. But if not, I'll have to change out the window. Hopefully I don't have to do that, but if I do, then I do. So anyways, I'm gonna put this stuff in the truck because I'm gonna take the truck, not the car, and I'm going to take this window back because it's no use to me. So I can bring it back, and we are going to, I'm going to the other scrapyard first, see if I can get the door and the window all in one. If I can only get the window, I'm gonna hold off, go bring this window back, and try to get the proper window there. So, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. You know, we're gonna see if we can get it with one window, or yeah, with the whole door. But if I can't, if I can get the whole door at one scrapyard, that there I'll just take back and get a store credit, because I've been seeing a lot of my trucks going into the scrapyards lately, and I have just the basic deck here, and I'm gonna look and see if I can get a screen with the GPS navigation system, right, and just swap it out. So that's something that's catching my eye. You know, it just adds value to it, right? But anyways, let me grab the rest of the stuff and we'll catch you at the scrapyard. All right, guys, we are here at the scrapyard. I was looking to see if I can find any other Audis. My buddy's sitting at one just down here. I just want to make sure before I take the window out that it's the right one, because the door does not match. So I'm just gonna look around a little more and then we'll come back. Well, guys, we came out of the scrapyard here. We got what we were looking for and we're good to go now.
And I'm sick of them.
And I'm gonna
Jesus Christ.
head to his vehicle. He's gonna grab something and grab a little bite to eat, and then probably head to my car and put that window in. You know, I was saying in there, it's
alcohol and drugs.
Yeah, it's not worth it to take a window out without getting blood on you, right? You know, I had to go and slice myself there, and I sliced myself some results on my hand. You know, just doesn't make sense to do a job without getting blood on you. So anyways, we're gonna grab a bite to eat. I'll catch you back at the house. All right, guys, we are back at the house here, and we're gonna take this window out. Well, we're actually gonna take this whole piece out right quick, and then put the new glass in, and then put this back in. So anyways, let's show you the window over here. That's the one. Hopefully it is the right one, because I'd hate to be at this again with the wrong one. But it came out of the same kind of car, same model, year, close enough to the year, so it should be right. So with that said, let's get this one out and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, we got the window in. I had to take all these clips out around the door, all the way around. So I got a bunch on the ground here with some glass, got a couple in there I had, just putting those back on. I'll seal that back up, put the speaker back in, put the bolts in the window so that it's not wobbling like that, and hopefully we can get her back to normal, bolt her all up, and the window will work. and we'll be good to go. You know, that was the problem I had yesterday, is there was glass but it wasn't tinted, right? I didn't want to have one window tinted and the other one not. That's just, it wouldn't look normal. So we got it tinted glass. We're gonna put that all back together, and then we'll come back, show you when she's done. We'll wind her down, see if it works. Guys, we got her back together. We got it looking pretty good. Needs to be cleaned a little bit now because it is a little dirty from us touching it and everything. And look at it, my hands are filthy. So, you know, it needs to be all wiped down. We'll wipe her all down. And her back to normal. And there she is. Pain in my... but it's done, right? It's done. So right now we're gonna grab a bite to eat. Then I got one other thing I have to do. Hopefully it fixes the issue. So we'll see you in a sec. All right, guys, so I just dropped my buddy off at home, and I'm just gonna head back home here now with the car. The windows are working. The window is not broken anymore. I still need to wipe it off and clean it, but the issue that I'm still having is one of my sensors. So I got one here. Well, I got a few of them, but I grabbed this here one too, just to have an extra one. I got it right there. I'm gonna clean that up a little, and then I'll put that in. But basically what that does is it tells the thermostat here, I don't know if you can see that, I'll show you. Basically it tells my thermostat to read the temperature, which it's not reading the temperature, right? So we'll have to get that fixed right away here. So that's my next step, is to do that there. Now whether I do it today or tomorrow, I don't know. It's been a long day now. You know, my day started at 7:30 this morning, and I've been going. It's now 6 o'clock, so I'm basically done for the day. I'm gonna go home, water the grass, and then we'll come back at her tomorrow. So. Well, guys, it's the next day, and I was gonna work on the Audi, but last night I went and picked something else up. So let's give you a quick little view of it. Boom, there you have it. We picked up a 2005 Ford Explorer, brand new tires on it, brand new, basically. You know, overall she don't look too bad. She's got a misfire. We're gonna take care of that issue, but she's the V8. She's got a 4.6 engine in her. She's the limited edition. I never took the keys out with me. She's fully loaded, leather interior. She got a DVD player, sunroof. What else can I tell you about it? Brand new battery in her. Like I said, tires all around are brand new. You know, nice big thread on them. Good for what I need. Fits 7 people. Probably it'll tow this camper. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet or not, but I probably will. But anyways, folks, I know I'm going to make you mad, but I'm going to end this video. And hopefully you come back and watch the next one of what I do to this Ford Explorer. So with that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.